Wow, shiny.
Get the grills.
It's 35 inch. Oh, hi.
You get a lot of like, you get thumbs up or thumbs down. Yeah, it's one or the other.
It just go.
Actually, it looks really good with color.
With green, right?
Yeah.
They thought it was kind of nice.
Did you pay to brush it or was it
Can I press the button?
Huh?
Can I press the button?
Go ahead, hold it in.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah, this one's the Foundation.
They open, right? The back.
That one doesn't open. Yeah, I just picked it up.
I didn't know it had lights in the truck there. That's dope.
I can put my cyber trike here.
So, I like it.
The cyber quad.
I really like it a
We
lot.
didn't have a coffee mug in your hand. I would recognize you.
Watch out, okay?
Yeah, that should be.
Watch out. Ooh, it's coming back.
Yeah, that should have done. This little thing in the Tesla, dude, come on, fix this, fix that.
Right.
And it's like a piece of, like, you get like a piece of glass.
Have it all in motion, they should at least have it pulled that up or something. It does